the Natchez Steamboat in New Orleans, and I'm just filming to show you how the boat goes, what makes it go, what makes it go. Notice the beautiful scenery in the back. I think this is so cool. I'm going to do a little downward thingy here so you can see the paddles in action. Notice the nice bridge in the background. So there we go. Just in case you want to take a look. What it looks like on this side of the Mississippi. And this is what it looks like on this side of the Mississippi. The grits and cheese dish in New Orleans. Known to folks here as Nolan. Doesn't get better than this. Come on down to visit New Orleans.